viewers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple and striking card with the Daffodil Daydream bundle and the coordinating Daffodil Afternoon Designer Series paper. Now this bundle is available in the Spring Mini Catalog for $75.50, and it includes this stamp set with 7 stamps and then the die set with 24 dies, including some duplicate dies which make die cutting so easy and quick. Now this is a tremendous value. Just look at the gorgeous daffodils that you can create with these dies. This coordinating designer series paper, Daffodil Afternoon, is a celebration item, so you can get it free with your $60 purchase until February 28th or while supplies last. This card layout is cased right from the catalog. Let me show you the measurements. I'm going to start by stamping my daffodil in Memento Black ink because I want to color it with my blends. I'm also going to stamp a couple of butterflies. I can cut these stamped images out on my mini Stampin Cut and Emboss machine. At the same time, I'm also going to cut out some words using the amazing silhouette dies. Now it's time to color. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. I'm going to embellish with the classic matte dots. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to know more about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the events calendar, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!